Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing my February Midnight Muses box, and I'm super excited. Let's check it out. Love magic. Okay. Put that aside. Got a little art. Pretty, pretty. Give thanks for the blessings of love soon to come your way. Know that you deserve to be and have all that your heart truly desires. I know it. I know it. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, we got a little card. Oh, we got a little bag. I love bags. Oh, it's so pretty for stuff. I love it. You can tell I'm a nerd. Ooh, it's a labradorite heart. Look at that flash. Look at that flash. Can you see it? Can you see it? So pretty. I love labradorite. It's one of my favorites. Oop, we got a candle. Got a candle. What the heck? My tortoise is opening the door now. What the actual heck? Love magic. Smells good. Oh, I definitely don't want that jerk in here. He's a stuff knocker over. Alright, we got some incense sticks. Smells good. I see some ritual oil here. More. Let's check it out. Nice. Hibiscus. Love, passion, and freedom. And then we have crimson currant, organic tea bag. And my 3 little vials. I love my little vials. Okay. Rose. Casting salts. And an incense one. I can't really smell it. Alright, let's read the insert. Love magic. Most magical practitioners will tell you that they receive more requests for love spells than any other type of spell. They have existed for thousands of years and were documented in books and records of ancient Egypt and were present in the ancient civilization of the Greeks and the Romans, as evidenced in the Greek magical papyri dating back as early as the 2nd century BC, which contain love charms along with other spells and rituals. It goes into ethics. I'm not going to read all that because it does talk about ethics and, what Wicca says about this. I am not a Wiccan. I personally don't believe in doing that kind of spell work. I don't, at this point, obviously I'm happily married, without another person's consent. If I was going to, do something bordering on unethical as far as bending somebody to my will, it would probably be around vengeance, not around love, but I digress. Casting salt. Copal incense stick. That's why it smells like heaven. Love it. More ritual oil. It has jasmine, rose, geranium, and sandalwood. Very cool. It smells really good. Let me see. Herbal incense blend. And add to spells to promote protection, for aura cleansing, and to attract positivity into your life. Doesn't say exactly what's in it though. Love magic jar candle. So it suggests you sprinkle a few of the pink rose petals onto the candle while focusing on your intention. Roses are associated with Aphrodite, Adonis, and Eros. They are traditionally used in love spells but also promote protection. And then there's the artwork over here. Hibiscus here. It is for as an aphrodisiac. We use in love spells, psychic abilities. A spell bag right here. Pretty. Love that. Symbols are metaphors. This is the Erzuli Freda Vive, popular in New Orleans, is the goddess who can help with love and romance. Erzuli Freda embodies love and the essence of beauty, luxury, and flowers. She represents the epitome of femininity and compassion. Her domain is water, and she is said to live in the riverbanks. Store tarot cards or use as a spell bag, adding gemstones, photos, herbs to contain your spell until you disassemble the spell bag. Labradorite. You could. The other one was rose quartz, but I'm glad I got labradorite. Heart pendant. Labradorite promotes inner peace, tranquility, enhances psychic abilities. There's the Crimson Current tea in a tea bag. There is a heart-shaped, intuitively drawn oracle card from the Lover's Oracle by Tony Carmine Salerno. And then there's art. So very nice. I actually love the smell. I love candles. I love these little vials. I've been working my way through the teas, so that's been good. I like this pendant. The artwork's pretty. I love this incense. So I'm definitely pleased with this box. Ooh, I forgot to say, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely check this out. I will leave the description and the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.